Hello, welcome everyone. Here you can see a car accident and a fire brigade helping the poor passenger inside the car, which have serious trouble there. He hit the lamp, and this is prepared scene by my son Maciej. It's his own idea, or the car, a fire truck, or the car is also made according to his wish. So Maciej, please explain what is in the truck, how it's made, and what kind of truck is it, please?
No więc tu widzimy no tutaj takie różne, to jest taki samochód strażacki, taki do zadań takich no taki specjalistyczny samochód.
Yes, Maciej says it's a very specialized truck, firefight truck, which helps in accidents on the road. Yes? Can you show us inside? What is inside? Can you open the truck?
Jasne.
Otwórz, Maciuś, tam co się tam znajduje w środku.
Dobrze.
Please show us what is inside.
Dobrze. Tu
We will see there because we have a flashlight, so we will see exactly inside. You can hear some valves there, which is responsible for connecting water in and out, also compressed air in and out. You can see here the compressed air is coming out from here, and the firefighter is keeping the special scissors which will cut the passenger out from the car, because now he's jammed inside, so it's not possible for him to go out. So this is really serious accident. And now also please take a look in that side. I try to show you here. You can see some special cutting device for wood and stuff like this. And well, Maciej, that's one of the story we want to show you, right? And please tell a little more about what this driver was doing. He was driving too fast? Jechał za szybko, czy co innego robił?
że właśnie kierowca no właśnie kierowca jechał trochę tak, jechał z dozwoloną prędkością, ale trochę się zagapił i nie zauważył samochodu i on skręcił, stracił równowagę i właśnie walnął w lampę.
Lampę. Okay, so Maciej said that the driver was really driving normally, a little too fast maybe, and then he missed attention and he hit the lamps. So you can see the lamp is still standing, but the car doesn't look so good. Okay, thank you for watching our movie. Dziękujemy za oglądanie naszego filmu. And we're inviting to next our movies. I zapraszamy do następnych naszych filmów. Goodbye!
Goodbye!
Bye!
Bye!